We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet Pro M401. So when I have a paper jam, the first thing I like to do is check my tray. So go ahead and pull your tray out. So if you see any paper, it would be right here. So if you do see it, go ahead, gently pull it up and out. Anytime you are clearing a jam, you want to make sure to slowly pull the paper. You don't want to yank or pull real hard. If you do, it could rip off some paper inside of the printer, or you could damage a sensor. Both of those do result in more paper jams. So check your tray first. Then you can always look under the toner. If it is here, it would be like literally right here. Yet again, you'd pull it up and out gently. Don't yank or pull really hard. Last but not least, I check the back. So, if you see it here, it'd be easy to pull out. Yet again, you want to pull slowly, not hard, or yank it, because you don't want to damage any more sensors or cause any more paper jams in your printer. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.